Welcome back. I hope you're doing amazing. We are going to be creating a Gemini look today. I am going to be doing half a voiceover, half telling you about Gemini today because this look does kind of, it's pretty explanatory, but I use so many different colors from so many different palettes, so bear with me here. But let me tell you about Gemini. Oh, Gemini. I actually came across this really funny TikTok today telling everyone to stop having sex at, September time because that creates Gemini babies. You all just need to make a damn decision. Stop flaking on me when I make plans with you. Decide, figure it out. Brain, get your brain in place. Focus, chill out, be here with me. So before I jump into telling you more about Gemini, these are the 3 palettes that I used throughout the video for all of the shades. Just look for the little Gemini emoji so you can see what shades I'm using. These are all the 4 shades I'm using for the orange eye, and then you'll see in a second the shades that I'm using for the pink eye. So I used not actual pink eye, the pink smoky eye. Yeah, okay. So I'm using the top palette. The white palette is the MORPHE MADDIE ZIEGLER palette. Then we have the HUDA Topaz palette. And then on the right side, you can see the PATRICIA Bright Makeup Revolution palette, which is so freaking pretty. But yeah, I kind of went with this little look. We all know that the symbol for Gemini is, or are twins. And a lot of people always say, Gemini are two-faced, they're this, they're that. And I felt like I wanted to go about it in this more trendy kind of way, like I did with all of my looks thus far and will do with all of my other looks. A lot of people I've been seeing do this, like rainbow eyes, and then they'll do even this same look that you see right here, but they'll do orange underneath the pink smoky eye and then pink underneath the orange smoky eye. And it actually is really pretty. I know that it comes off silly almost, but when the look is done and it's all completed, it really doesn't look bad. I'd maybe wear it out. Keyword maybe. So Gemini is an air sign, and as I said, the symbol is twins. It is ruled by Mercury in the 3rd house. So as I told you, some of the things that I kind of gather from Gemini is a little flaky, but I feel like Geminis are very the words that I get are tropical, which is why you can see all the colors that I put in this look. Punchy, uplifting, changing. They're the chameleon of the zodiac. They always look on the bright side. They love. I just get this butterfly vibes from them too. That's my own kind of thing. But I just feel like they're an air sign. So they're not all air signs, but specifically Gemini, I just feel like is all over the place. Can't decide who they want to be today or what they want to be today, but they can be all of it. Okay, so there are 7 key traits that just represent a Gemini. That includes them being adaptable. Like I said, the chameleon of the zodiac, literally. Then you have outgoing. I literally do not know a Gemini that is not outgoing. So outgoing. I feel like I'm outgoing, but sometimes, oh, hello train, my gosh. But sometimes I can tone it back. Geminis, there's no toning it back. Intelligent. I think if you're a Gemini and you're watching this, put a random fact in the comments below. You guys have so much unnecessary knowledge, and you, by all means, I feel like a lot of people might think that you're not intelligent or you're not smart, but you really are. You just have all this unnecessary knowledge that you just have in your brain because it's fun. It's fun. And you're definitely just a clever person, just all around. So some weaknesses, you can be kind of indecisive. Like I said, I cannot make plans with my Gemini friends. It stresses me out. It gives me anxiety. I just need a plan. I have a Virgo rising. So when you can't plan something, I feel like you don't give a shit. Or if you cancel on me or change the plan, I feel like you don't care. So just be a little better with your decisions. Just do it. Impulsive. I feel like impulsiveness could be a good and a bad thing. I don't know where my impulsiveness comes from, because sometimes I can be very impulsive and like not think through a decision, which is very unlike all of my signs that are in my chart. So I gotta look into that, because I don't have Gemini in my like main birth chart. But yeah, and going along with that, unreliable. I'm sorry. And the last one is nosy. You are all up in everybody's damn business. You're up in everyone's damn business here. Why? You're even so up in your own business that you're worried about other people's business. Do you see what I'm saying? Do you see what I'm saying? I don't really think that there's too big of a difference between like a man versus a woman, but from what I've kind of like read after doing my research about Gemini was that the men tend to be like overly outgoing and wanting to be the center of attention. And then with Gemini women, they're just like very passionate about life. And I can so see this with all of my like girlfriends that have Gemini in their chart. They're just passionate about life and they're very witty, if you know what I mean. I feel like they're just very, like, you guys, Gemini, you're like just so adventurous with life and love life. And I think that's amazing for you. I love it. I feel like you guys, out of all the zodiac signs, you guys are the most adventurous and like exciting and just like over the top and fun. Like whenever I think of Gemini, I think of colorful and I think of fun. And that's this look literally right here. But so to finish off the colors a little bit, I added some rhinestones to just give it a little pizzazz. And that's it. I hope you guys like this look.